Today is about kids daily using K letter English words. Following for first for king, K-I-N-G, king. Key, key, K-E-Y, key. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Kite, kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Knee, knee, K-N-E-E, knee. Cola, cola, K-O-A-L-A, cola. Kangaroo, kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Kiwi, kiwi, K-I-W-I, kiwi. Kitten, kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Kit, kit, K-I-D, kit. Kitchen, kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Keyboard, keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Killing, killing, K-I-L-L-I-N-G, killing. Keeper, keeper, K-E-E-P-E-R, keeper. Kiss, kiss, K-I-S-S, kiss. Kidney, kidney, K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney. Karate, karate, K-A-R-A-T-E, karate. Keychain, keychain, K-E-Y-C-H-A-I-N, keychain. Knowledge, knowledge, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, knowledge. This is the kids daily using K letter English words. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.